In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by selecting Photos app and tapping on Photos or Collections at the bottom. Now hold any photo you wish to delete, and to select multiple right away, click on those icons at the top right corners. To keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use Bin button at the bottom. Then hit Got It in the pop-up and select Move to Trash. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!